welcome back to French Toasts. And today we will be doing some translation into English for foundation from the Edexcel exam board. So let's get started and let's have a look at the first paragraph. There will be 4 paragraphs today. So the theme for this paragraph is identity and culture, celebration and festivals. Le 21 juin, c'est la fête de la musique en France. So on the 21st of June it's la fête de la musique in France. So every year on the 21st of June there is like a music day. It's a festival that takes place the whole day where we have excuse me, amateurs and professional who would play music all over France in the streets. So you can have a solo person or a band, and they all play all kind of music, and it's super fun. So let's get started. So June 21st is Music Day ou Fête de la musique. June 21st is Fête de la musique in France, or you can say Music Day. Okay. C'est un grand festival populaire et gratuit. It is a big festival, free and popular. It is a big festival. Oh, let's keep the same order. Popular and free. Popular and free. Gratuit. Free. Les participants sont des amateurs ou des professionnels. The participants are, so we can say this in 2 ways. The participants are either amateurs or professional, or we can say participants range from amateurs to professional. Participants range from amateurs and professional. Okay. Beaucoup de Français jouent d'un instrument de musique. Lots of French people play a music instrument, or you could say many French people, as you wish, a lot of or many. So many French people play a musical instrument. Okay. Le festival a commencé en 1982. The festival started or began in 1982. Festival started or began in 1982. So that's for the first paragraph. I think doing translation is a good way to know where you stand in terms of vocabulary and in terms of conjugation. This is the best way to know how you're doing with the language. Okay, let's have a look at the second one. And the second one, the theme is local area, holiday, and travel weather. All right. So, la France a un climat agréable. So here we have France, we have climate, agréable, agreeable, which means nice, pleasant. So France has a pleasant weather. And as you know, the adjective is in French, most of the time is always placed after the noun. And in English, most of the time, not all the time, the adjective is placed before the noun. So it's you flip them around basically. In general, there are always exceptions because it depends what you want to say, but in simple terms, that's how it works. In general, il y a beaucoup de soleil et de pluie. There is a lot of sunshine and rain. There is a lot of sunshine and rain. Okay, pluie is rain. Il ne fait ni trop froid ni trop chaud. So it looks very complicated here in English, in French, but in English it's very easy to translate that one, at least for me. The weather, it is neither too cold nor too hot. It is neither too cold or too hot. Neither too cold or too hot. Okay. Il fait moins beau au nord et à l'ouest. It is less pleasant in the northwest. Or you can say the weather is less pleasant in the northwest. So let's do that. The weather is less pleasant in the northwest. L'année dernière, so last year, le temps était généralement sec. So sec, the way you say sec is dry. So last year, the weather was generally dry. Okay, I hope that wasn't too bad. Let's have a look at the third one. The third one, the theme is school rules. So at Nice, Nice is a city in south of France by the coast, in the what they call the French Riviera. It's always sunny there. À Nice, les cours au collège commencent à 8 heures. So in Nice, les cours, classes or lessons. There you go. Yes, classes in high school start at 8:20 a.m. Okay. Les élèves doivent arriver à l'heure. Doivent arriver à l'heure. So, students must arrive on time. Arriver à l'heure. On doit respecter les adultes. So here we can say we have to respect adults, or we can say adults must be respected. So let's go with the second one. Adults must be respected. Ok. Maintenant, now, les portables c'est cell phone. Les portables et les jeux électroniques, electronic games, sont interdits. Interdits. They are forbidden. They are not allowed. So now, cell phones and electronic games are not allowed. Ok? Dans le passé, in the past, on pouvait les utiliser. So, in the past, we could use them, or they were allowed. In the past, they were allowed. Voilà. So, let's have a look at the last paragraph. This one is about future aspiration, study and work, volunteering. So here it says Alexis dit. So Alexis says or said, j'ai 16 ans, I'm 16, et je vais au lycée, and I attend high school. Okay, let's do that. I am 16 and I attend high school. Ok. Je fais du travail bénévole. So, faire du travail bénévole, bénévole, c'est to volunteer, pour une organisation caritative. Organisation caritative is a charity. So, I do work as a volunteer for a charity. Okay. Je tape des textes. So I type texts. Et je fais des recherches sur Internet. And I do research on the Internet. Okay. C'est bien d'aider les autres. It is good to help others. J'ai appris beaucoup de choses. Here is the passé composé in the past, so I have learned a lot. You can leave it like that, or you can add, I have learned a lot of things. Voilà, that's it for this translation for foundation. I hope this was helpful. And the best way to improve is to practice. So I will see you next time, and until then, take care. Salut, ciao ciao.